What's up, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. So today I'll be working on my legs. You see this, I don't know what they call them, but they like a rash or something like that, even here. So I tried like polishing the lip and all, and I can still see the curb rashes. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is remove the studs. I already removed this one, so I'm gonna remove the studs and then try to sand off these curves and then try polishing the rim again and see the difference. So I think I'll just remove this tire and then go put some air on it and then remove all the tires on the car. Then I'll start doing all the rims one by one. Even this one, this is my back wheel. Even this one is this like oxidated, like clear coat peeling off. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove all the tires on the car and then wet sand every tire. Yeah, then remove the studs. See, these ones are worse, they're even black. So yeah, just to make the rims look clean. So yeah, I'll remove all the studs. I'll remove the tires first and then remove all the studs. Let's get to it. Yeah, so I removed the first two sides. I'm gonna try these two sides first. I'm gonna try these two and then put them back and then try the other two on the other side. Let's get to work. And then we have that one dog, it decided that it's gonna pee on the rims. Like it's a bathroom for him. So he decided that he's gonna pee.
Please, man.
So I managed to remove all the gunk and the curb brushes. So now what I'm gonna do is try and wet sand these ones, and then after I'll polish and then we'll see from there. Okay, yeah, this is what happens when you have to apply pressure. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel.